Hello, excuse me.
Yes, please.
Yeah, young boy, what's your name?
My name is now Mugdha.
Mr. Mugdha, what do you do?
I'm a student.
As a student, every student should play sports and games. Do you
Yes.
play?
Yes.
Do you play cricket?
Yes. Oh well, obviously, I like to play cricket because it refreshes my mind. It gives me much pleasure. Example, one-day match, T20 match, test match, etc. And in my free time, I will play cricket.
And another question, do you play football?
Oh well, obviously, I always play football in my leisure time. It gives me much pleasure. It gives me much pleasure. For example, a goalkeeper, midfielder, and striker.
In which position do you usually play?
Yes, midfielder,
Midfielder.
goalkeeper, and
Several function.
yes.
Oh yeah. Do you,
But goalkeeper is my main.
yeah, the main position.
Yes.
Okay. Do you play badminton?
Oh well, it's I like to play badminton, but you know that it's a seasonal game. Usually we play it in winter season. It gives us much pleasure. We became addicted in this game in the winter season. It's happened in every student's life. Example, one court, two court, and
First
down,
hand, second
first
hand.
second hand, etc. And in not only free time, in every night of winter, I play it, and it's much pleasure than football and cricket. I love very much.
The winter season is coming soon, so I think you are waiting for
Yes.
getting ready for
Yes.
playing badminton, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Welcome.
Bye.